I wanted to show you the AimShot M-Lok quick release system. It's a very simple system to use. There's 5 different pieces available: a 40 millimeter, 60 millimeter, 140 millimeter picatinny. There's also a 60 millimeter that has a quick release socket, and a 60 millimeter for any kind of a Harris bipod mount. The system is very easy. You just squeeze it, mount it on the rails, release it, and that locks it into place. To remove it, squeeze it, remove it. So again, a very simple quick release system. It allows you to remove items or move them around on your rails to different positions, but a very simple system and a very strong system.